Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make this dish, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Broccoli, artificial crab sticks, broccoli cut into florets, remove packaging of artificial crab sticks and sliced it. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add broccoli. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Add water from side of wok. Simmer and stir fry until broccoli turned soften. Add crab stick slices. Stir fry 30 seconds. Place broccoli on plate. Place artificial crab sticks slices at middle. Stir-fry broccoli with artificial crab sticks is done. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. The ancients often used crabs to symbolize wealth, and crabs have also become one of the important ornaments in traditional culture. People think that crabs have two pincers, which are strong. Once they grab something, they will not let go easily, which means to keep money and lock up unstable wealth. And crabs have 8 legs. In ancient times, they were also called 8-legged crabs. Pedipod means all directions, and the main function of the 8 legs is to catch. So people also give crabs good wishes of wealth or talent from all directions. There are more delicious CNY recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.